Okay, now for one of my favorite sections of this bundle is to create your own travel vision board. So I create a vision board every single year. I use the same template on Canva every single year and just update the colors a little bit. I put like my word of the year in the middle, and then I have like three big themes for the year or goals or something. And that's what I have as my phone background, my computer background. I have it somewhere else, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. But basically, your travel vision board would be like your bucket list, but a visual representation of it. So, on this lesson, there is a blank page here that you could print out and you can add, cut stuff out to add to it or print stuff out to add to it. Maybe find like stickers if you go to like the scrapbooking places and like the arts and crafts stores, you could put together a travel vision board. And then the second part of it too is like, what is your overall goal this year? Because you can have like an overall travel vision board and that's fine, but I also like doing shorter term, like 1 year, so that it's something more tangible that you can like work to achieve rather than it just being like a vision and dream that you like never really work towards. You just look at it and you're like, that'll be nice one day. So if you pick your goal for the year of like your one travel thing that you wanted, and then list out the actionable steps that you can actually take to do that, then that's kind of the whole thing here. One thing that I really do recommend is if you go to canva.com, you can create a free account. Some of the tools and stuff you have to have premium, but it like won't let you use it if it's premium. So you'll see the difference. And you can create any size thing you want. They have templates. You can build your own. There's like a ton of stuff on there to do some design. Some ideas for a travel vision board, like with the one that I have where it's like three big things. If I was doing like a long-term one, I would do like visit all the US national parks, and I would put like a picture of, one of the national parks, and then underneath it, visit all the national parks. And then like visit all 50 states, I could have a picture of maybe like a map of the US or something, or like a scratch off map, and then put visit all 50 states. And then for the third one, it could be, take like a month long cruise somewhere, anywhere. It would just be cool to take a month long cruise, have a picture of a cruise ship, right? Take a month long cruise, and then you have your three main things. And then you can pick a goal. If you were doing something long term like that, like what would be a goal this year, is it could be, map out dates or a timeline. It could be map out what the budget would need to be for it. You could do anything like that, and then list out what steps you would need to take to do all of that. And that is how you create a travel vision board.